Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. We need a shot first. That's in my eye! How did that even happen? I literally chucked vodka in my eye. Chin chin. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever around the world, whatever time you're watching this video, good of something. Ow. Right now, today, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me to go out for a night out. Basically, going for a night out, woohoo. It's already started well. I dropped my palette on the floor, my NYX palette. Nothing shattered, thank God, but it is now broken. Yay. So this video is going to be a bit of a different format. It's not going to really be like a talking through tutorial kind of video like I usually do. It's mostly just going to be me doing my makeup, doing my hair for the night out, and you're just going to sit and watch it in like time-lapse version. So hi and kind of like goodbye at the same time, because I'm not going to be talking to you. I'm just going to smack some music on and get ready for a night out. So if you want to see me get ready and possibly chuck more vodka in my eye, then keep on watching this video. Oh, I've dropped it everywhere. I've dropped my palette everywhere and I've crushed two of the colours. No! I dropped it! guys practically just witnessed me curling my hair for the first time. Well, for my first time with short hair. It's hard. Like, all these pieces under here I can't actually curl, so I was just kind of curling them up and underneath so that they kind of like hide underneath all the curls and then like work on the top. But I definitely have some like tips and tricks that I need to learn to do with curling your hair for short hair. But yeah, that's my makeup. Bit of a graphic liner going on amongst all like the oranges and stuff. My top is from Nasty Gal. I'm wearing some leather trousers from Topshop, and on my feet, I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure that out soon, but basically this is the video over. Thanks for getting ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want me to make more like this, then make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below what the videos you want to see, whether you would be interested in seeing more get ready with me's. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.